Right, this is a Sam Murray flute. Quite rare, they're not easy to get. So if you can get one second hand, good and well. You have to wait your time though to have them made for you. The fact is that I have at least one here available for sale, and you can have it tomorrow if you order it online. Now, to tell you about this flute, this is a 4-part flute. This is counted as 1 part. It's made from African blackwood. It has a beautiful timbre tone, a very strong low D, very easy to play. You can hear the timbre tone out of it. It has a small enough aperture on it, making it easy to fit. Now, it's as easy to play as a tin whistle. Good quality tuning side. These are silver, by the way, pure silver. And once you get this into your hand, it's not too heavy. It's light, easy to play, easy to fill, and fabulous value. This is the same type of flute that I play myself in sessions. It's a high quality session flute. It has volume. I'll just give you an example.